Opioid crisis has killed thousands of people nationwide. It's a topic Smith County wants to address. Earlier today, county commissioners voted to approve the settlement and release funds on a lawsuit against Purdue Pharma and other pharmaceutical companies. As KLTV7's Michael Richardson reports tonight, that money will go toward helping East Texans who are battling drug abuse.
We've been trying to combat this for years.
Since 2017, Smith County has worked on opioid litigation, drug abuse, a problem that has devastated families across America. Now, county commissioners have voted to approve the settlement and release of around $28,000 from Purdue Pharma and other drug companies, which will go towards fighting against opioid abuse. Thomas Wilson is with Smith County's Civil Division.
There were deaths that were associated to opioid use and abuse. There was hospitalizations. There was, children were affected by their parents being either incarcerated.
Smith County has already received hundreds of thousands of dollars in settlement funds. Last December, the county doled out money to treatment facilities. It's aimed at addressing drug addiction, which County Judge Neil Franklin says is a serious problem for the whole nation.
It was a real problem with people getting addicted to opioids, and we don't wish that on anybody, and so we want the companies to do the right thing.
Michael Richardson, KLTV 7 News.
Judge Franklin tells us there may be more settlements down the line on that one.